Any questions?
No.
You're clear?
Yes, brother.
Azim, you,
Yeah, brother. That's great.
right? So can we start doing examples on this?
So,
One thing I forgot to tell you about substring, man. We'll complete that and we'll move on. Okay. Say suppose I have a string called as India. Okay. From this I want to get first two characters. From here I want to get first two characters. It means I and N. How can I get that? I want to get first two characters. How can I get that?
with string dot substring of 0, comma 5 or 2, comma 5.
So in Python we don't have a direct method called as substring. You don't have that. Okay. So we have a concept called as slicing. What is that? Slicing. Okay. So open a square bracket and tell that from which index, so you need to get the data. So see here very clearly, dude, 7:30 I have a small sync up call. It won't take not more than 10 minutes. Okay, just be on hold for 10 minutes. I'll resume the session. Okay, I'll prolong for another 10 more minutes.
Okay.
Okay. So every character in string will be having a unique index, man. Okay, so for I it is 0, for N it is 1, for D it is 2, for I it is 3, for A it is 4. Clear? Now this slicing expects two parameters, two arguments. One is you tell me what is the starting position from where I want to pick your value. First one is going to be called as starting position. Okay, you tell the index position. Say suppose if I'm going to give it as 0, so my position will start from my 0. From 0 till what you want to get the data. Say suppose from 0 I want to get two characters, length of two characters or length of three characters. You specify that second parameter. So second one is length of the characters. First one is starting index position reference number. So then the characters that are available between here to here, it will try to fetch. Okay, so now let me clear it out. Here is 0 colon 2 characters. Now I'll try to print directly here and see here what is happening. I'm going to get IN. Now if I give 1 and 2, what I'm going to get? I'll change the index from 0 to 1. 1 colon 2. It means why I'm getting only N? Why not N and D? Here is the logic that you have to understand. So tell me from what number index will start? First one is going to be called index, right?
0.
0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Okay. So now from first position, what you told, you have given index number 1. So then where it went? The index is going to reference to where?
Yeah.
Index to where? 1, right? 1 means what? N. Correct? Till this
Yes.
point, any questions? No, right? Right. Second, I told you what is this? This is going to be length. Length will always start from 1. Length will always start from 1. Okay? 1, 2, till here it will be 5. Okay? Now I told you that take the reference of index number 1, but you have to get length of 2. Length of 2 means 1 and 2. So but I cannot go and get the previous one, right? Because it is before my index position. 1 is before my reference position. Correct? Can you see?
Yes.
So I cannot go and get this. Only the number which is after my index position, it will go and get it. So my index position is at 1. So after index position, what is there? Only 2 is there. Okay, this position, second position should be always greater than the first position. Second position should be always greater than the first position. Then only you will get the data fetch. Make sense? Clear? No?
Clear.
Yeah? Right? So now, if I try to put here 1:1, I won't get anything because it is not equivalent, right? If I put 3, what will happen now? Can you tell me what is the output I'm going to get?
ND.
ND.
అన్న అర్థమవుతుందా సిన్న
Yeah, ಅದು ಒಂದಮ್ಮ ND. Yeah.
సో ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ యా
Should be I.
ఎస్ లేదు ఎన్ఏ వస్తుంది కరెక్టే 1లో వెళ్తుంది ఎస్ అండ్ దెన్
Second position is ND.
రిమూవ్ ఇట్ ఎన్ అండ్ డి ఎస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ షుడ్ బి ఎన్ అండ్ డి
Yeah.
ఓకే నౌ హియర్ so there is a something called as third position. Wait, let me give or take some bigger one. So I am telling that go and take from index number 1. Okay, go and take the index number 1 and take only 2 characters from there and take only 2 characters from here. Okay, now if I remove this as well, now can you see the output and tell what is happening there? Can anyone tell? See the output and tell me what is happening there. It's very simple one. Something is happening. Okay, wait. Let me put like this. Let me remove this and let me put like this and tell me. See the output and tell me what is happening. Guys, this question they have asked in Microsoft certification. You know, right? Python is acquired by Microsoft. They are the one who is connecting the certifications. So can you see it properly and see what is happening? Very simple, guys.
Like one, it is I like
It's printing
first
it's printing I, but it's not printing N actually.
It's skipping every one
skipping.
character and trying to fetch every other
Yeah,
character.
it's printing every one character. Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so where do we get this kind of questions is when we do DSA kind of questions, right? In most of the interview they'll be asking that you have to take the first character, you have to skip the second character, you have to get the third character. Now if I, instead of 2, if I keep 3, now what will happen?
2 characters it will skip.
It will skip
First
2
it
characters, huh?
2 characters. Okay, just keep in mind it should be always +1. If you want to skip 1 character, it should be 2. If you want to skip 2 characters, it should be always 3. Okay?
Okay.
If you are not going to give you any number, it will take the continuity of the entire string. If you put any number here, then the logic won't work. See, it will take only these two alone, skipping these three characters. If you are not going to give the second parameter, it will take the string continuity. The string will get continued till the end. Just keep in mind.
So you mean to say that in the data, so if you give 3 characters, the last character is not going to execute?
Yes, see, that's the reason, right? Now let's keep as cat.
Okay.
So what happened here? There is no another character available, right? To skipping these two characters,
Yeah.
there is no
Correct.
any.
Yeah.
So that's the reason we got only one. Okay. Next one is 1:::. So what happened here? I have specified only my starting index, but I didn't give the next other two parameters. It means that it will do a substring to the end of the whole string. Okay, so don't worry, where I am going to apply all these kind of logics. Next 2 minutes I am going to show you the examples.
Okay.
But try to understand, this is called your string slicing, and it will be very helpful when you start manipulating with your data. Chalo. So let's start with the examples. So let's invest some good quality of time in the example. This is the place where people will get more questions. We'll spend some time.
Pratap, that third parameter we will use only when we want to skip
Skip. Yeah.
in a sequence. Okay.
Yes. So many messages are coming. Asha, you were in Bangalore?
No, Kerala.
Right. Raining there.
It's raining.
I have one vendor who works for me from Wipro. Not Wipro, from Infosys,
Okay.
Trivandrum.
Okay.
He was telling like, so there is no power, I cannot join the evening call, 7:30 call.
It's heavily raining here.
Yes. So shall we start with a simple example and then we'll go with the complex one. Okay. Dude, whatever I'm going to show, these examples are the examples that I face personally in some other programming language, my students and the colleagues. So we have a batch called as Geeks batch in office. Okay. So these people will always throw some challenges every week. Weekly challenges will be there. So colliding everything, I'm putting all the examples here. Let's discuss it and we'll solve it out. Okay.
Pratap, one question.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, what is this hyphen init hyphen dot py?
This one we are going to tell that I am going to make a folder as a Python package. I
Okay.
already told you, right? If you want to reutilize any other package details into any other package, that
Okay.
package will be a Python package. If you want to by accidentally you created a folder.
Okay.
Okay, say suppose you created a folder here, testing. Okay.
Okay.
So if you observe here, it is not a package, it's a folder.
Folder just, yeah.
Python package will always have a dot on the folder if you see.
Okay, yeah, correct, yeah.
So whatever the Python file that is available inside this folder, I cannot access anywhere in my programming.
Okay, okay.
So if I want to convert any folder into Python package, I have to create a file called as __ init __. Then automatically that will convert into Python package.
Okay.
Okay, just to represent that folder as a Python package, we make this __ init. We won't write any logic inside this.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Right.
Input str is equal to hello, I am learning Python. Okay, so we have a string called as hello, I am learning Python. Now my ask is get the total count of vowels in the string. Guys, I'll be explaining you about the tips when you start with your strings with my experience, with the input that I got from other people. Okay, keeping everything in one place. Okay, when you get any string example, first thing is observe carefully what you want to fetch or get from the string. So know your objective. Know your objective. Okay. Second thing is, see where exactly your data is. Third one, see if there is any unique identifier before and after for the data you are looking for. Okay. Fourth one, then see what method can help you to solve. Now in this example, if you see here, I have input string called as hello, I am learning Python. I need to get how many vowels are there. If you observe, my vowels are spread across, right? It is not in a linear fashion. Here and there it was there. So I need to get each and every character from the string and need to check if the character that I got from the given string is a vowel or not. So here the logic is fetching character by character from the given string. Fetching character by character from the given string. So how can we get character by character from a string? I observed very carefully. My thing is, I want to get the number of vowels. See where exactly your data is. My data is spread across the characters, spread across the entire string. I don't know where exactly it is. So now what I want to do here is there any unique identifier? No, there is no any unique identifier that is available. Right? So now only thing that I can do here is I want to fetch character by character and then I have to check if the character is a vowel or not. So tell me which method is going to help me to get character by character from the given source string.
For loop we can use, right? For character in input string.
Hold on. Yes. Others, will you accept that?
Yes, but the looping is required to each character.
Because we need to get every character.
Yeah.
Char in input str. I'm going to get each and every character. See, I'm going to print each and every character in the given string. If you see here, correct?
Yes.
Right? Now, what I'm going to do here is, now I need to check if this character is vowel or not. How to check that?
If condition.
Yes, we need to apply a small condition. If char in A, E, I, okay, O, U. So guys, this is going to be called as an array. Okay, I'll tell you later. Okay, if you want to, instead of writing multiple or condition, I'm going to put this one. Okay, now print off char. Now see, let us execute this. I got all the vowels. So instead of printing the vowels, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put like counters is equal to 0. So whenever the condition is going to get satisfied, I make this counters plus 1. And after that, I'm going to print counters here. Okay, now let me run this. See, there are totally 8 vowels available in the given list. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, Pratap.
Anna, clear? Huh?
Yeah, so, yeah.
Pratap, that character in you mentioned one array, right? It should be in single quotes always, or even we can
Anything,
put
anything. I told that
double
string,
quotes.
string can be anything, right? Single quote, double quote, triple quote.
Okay.
So Pratap, in this, the for loop actually takes each and every word in the hello, okay, each
Yes.
input string, and then put it into character, and the character getting, and then that will check in the
Yes. If
whole or
this
not, right?
character is in available in the given list, then
Yeah,
only it will go inside the
yeah.
condition and it will get updated here.
Okay. Plus one plus again. So for loop actually it will execute for each and every time, right? It will execute the for loop once for each, and then it will come to if loop, and then
It will
if
get each
statement,
and
and then
every
execute that,
character
right?
and then yes, it will get first character, then it will check the condition. Then next character
Yeah.
condition.
Check the condition. Yeah.
Till it reaches to the end of the string.
Okay.
Okay. Now the task that I'm going to give you here is don't use for each, use for okay. Use for loop with range function. Okay. Next use string slicing and count the count of vowels. Can you try this? No?
Yes, Pratap.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అన్న సీన్ ట్రై చేయండి, ట్రై చేస్తే నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఎక్కడ తప్పబోతుందని.
యా that's what నిన్న ఉన్న నాకు ఒక అడిషనల్ టాస్క్ వచ్చింది, ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళాల్సి వచ్చింది.
నో ప్రాబ్లం, ట్రై చేయండి ఇది.
Hmm.
సో గైస్ ఐ విల్ బి గోయింగ్ ఆన్ మ్యూట్ ఫర్ 10-15 minutes. I'll ping you back. Okay, so meanwhile I need a help from you guys to write the logic for input data is equal to account number colon 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so write a logic get the number from the string. Okay, so print the sum of all the numbers. Okay, can you try this?
Yes, Pratap.
Yeah, I'll be going on mute for 10 minutes and I'll come back. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Pratap.
Yeah. Then you got it.
Yes, Pratap.
Okay, tell me what you did.
We can use split method
Using what?
using that colon,
So tell me how you got split into your mind.
because that is separating these two things, account number uh,
Hmm.
and that number.
Account number and this number. Okay.
Mm.
So fine. Now what you did here is number is equal to input data dot split off with what? With this colon, right?
Colon.
Okay. Now you'll be getting an array,
Mm.
right? This will be in
Yes.
index and this will be in index number 1.
One.
Okay. Now print off number. So, but I have a space here.
We can strip it.
Yes. What is the method?
Dot strip.
Dot strip. This is fine. Now, what happened here is I don't have a colon. Will this work now?
We can split it by space.
How many spaces? How do you know now? If
Uh,
something is going to get
uh,
increased here again, now tell me.
uh, Here also we can split it by space, right? 1, 2,
Uh,
3, 4, 5.
when you put this,
In the
keep on changing, then how
okay.
can you put the position of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Mm,
How? Any idea? Anna, నీకేం ఐడియా వచ్చిందా?
Pratap.
It's very simple, right? Yesterday I told you.
We can check whether the number is integer or not.
I told you a
Okay.
method. What is that method?
Is digit. Is digit.
That's it, right? Now see.
I went up to for n is for n in range of for n in input data.
Okay, data is equal to input data dot split with, I'll go with your logic only, Asha. Okay,
Okay.
now for
For n
ST,
for string for st input data.
okay, so
Data.
now
Okay.
print of st, what will get? You'll be getting each and every word, right?
Yes.
Okay, now see st dot is it,
Which
something will be true here, right?
true.
Yes. Now what you do,
Mm.
put
If
st dot is digit. Now
print st.
of st. Okay, got it?
Okay. Got it.
Now how do we add this?
Adding to, how can we do this?
Like integer division.
Mm,
We did that one, right?
adding to,
Integer division. Uh,
how to get the sum of all these numbers?
This st we can convert to an integer.
See, okay, for I in st, correct. So here, what I'm going to do here is sum is equal to 0, sum is equal to sum plus int. If I want to convert any string into integer, I have to use int of.
Hmm.
Okay, then I'll use my print of sum. $15, right? 5 4 9 9 3 12 12 2 14 14 plus 1 15.
So how did we do that for I in st?
See here.
Okay, we got separated first. Okay, all this, and then we found this digit. Okay,
Yes.
and the digit, and we have taken the digit. Okay,
And I iterated each and every number in
for,
the digit.
yeah, for I in digit is each and every number in digit. Sum equal to sum plus integer, int I.
Because we are getting a character here, not a number.
Yeah, integer I. Okay.
Okay, we are
Integer
converting
I.
that string into integer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I missed this one, man. This last two steps. Sum equal to sum plus integer.
Underscore 03. So input data is equal to transaction ID 1908 is generated successfully. Okay, now I need to get the number from this string. Get the number from the string. Okay, now if you observe here, where is your data available? So now use my hints here. See what I told. If you remember these 3 tips in your mind, you can get this one easily.
This number will be always enclosed in brackets.
Sorry?
This number will be always enclosed within
Yes.
brackets.
Bracket, but the number size will be get increased.
Then we can use the same split method, right?
Using what you will split?
First we will split it with that forward bracket. We'll be getting array with 0 and 1 index. Then in the first one, that array of 1, again we will do.
No. That is going to be very cost. Your logic is correct, but implementation is very cost. Try for another logic.
Sorry, but what we need to do here?
I need to fetch that number that is available in between the braces.
Between braces.
Uh, we can split it and then can we use start with?
No split. Forgot about
Oh,
split method.
okay.
I'll put the conditions. Okay. Let me
Okay.
put the conditions. You have to write the code within that conditions. No for loop. Okay. No if condition. Now tell me. Check. We have gone through so many methods. Okay. I'll give a hint.
Can we use find?
Go to tip number 3 and tip number 4. Okay. Now tell
We can use find, right?
me. Find what find will do.
Find, we will find that
Hmm.
position of that starting bracket and ending bracket.
That's it. You're done. Then you'll use your substring to get the date.
Substring. Hmm.
Right?
Nice.
So now see here. POS1 is equal to input data dot find of which one? This open parenthesis.
Yes.
I'm giving it as +1. Why +1?
It's starting. We need from one only. We
Right?
we need from the number only.
Yeah. Position 2 is equal to input data dot find of this.
-1. No need to do -1.
Why -1? We'll see. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Now print off input data. Okay. Position 1 colon of position 2.
Okay.
Got it right?
So
Because
yes.
position 2 is always a length, right?
Okay. Correct.
Not an index.
Mm-hmm.
Simple thing, right? No for
Mm.
loop, no if condition, no matter how much big the string is going to be, we're able to extract it, right?
Yes.
Any questions? అర్థమైంది ఇది సినిమా
నేను చెప్తా ఉంటాను బై ద వే somebody already told. I thought that we need to identify that the parenthesis actually, but I don't know how to identify that parenthesis. Okay.
Yeah, that's what we should be aware of the methods.
Yeah.
Next one. One second. Okay, now let me give you input data is equal to no. So guys, if you observe properly, right, this is the string you have, correct? Now if you observe very clearly, if the starting is a consonant, okay, and next character should be a vowel and next one should be a consonant, it means that if there is a vowel in between two consonants, you have to print it. So in HAQ you have a. Similarly, in AQR there is nothing is available, and then okay, in QRI nothing is available. So like this, if first three are okay, go like this. If I plus 1 and I plus 2, okay, if there is two consonants and if there is a vowel in between, you have to get that vowel out. Got it clear? No? Yes or no?
It's clear.
Okay, this is one. Second thing is input data is hello. Input data is hello. If the letter is a vowel, you have to swap that vowel from back to front. For example, if input data is hello, I want the output as HOLLE. You are replacing a vowel with a vowel only, not with a consonant. See? You have to reverse the vowels. Any questions? Any questions?
It's specific to this string only, right?
If I give any string, it should work.
Any string, if it is having more number of vowels,
It should get replaced, right? You have to write a logic like that only.
if
Yes,
it is
right.
like HELLOO, how it should come? No, HLOO.
This one. Yes,
How it
these
should
two
come?
should go and should replace the vowel, right? HOLLE.
HOLLOE.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then you are one more thing. I thought of giving one more thing. I forgot. Wait. So there is a three words available. See here. Can you see? there are 3 words available. You have to print number of capital letters are available in this given string. This is very simple only. I have given. Okay, and now one more string is input data is equal to okay. I don't think still we haven't reached to that level. So this try to print in this given pattern. If I give the input data as a school, assume that school is your input data. You have to print S, SC, SCH, SCHO, SCHOO, SCHOO, L. I need to see the words are getting printed like this. Got it? Clear? Can you try this logics to get complete? No? Guys, trust me, if you do these logics right, your coding skills will improve 10 times. Definitely. There are so many questions. Okay? We'll slowly do one by one. Asha, okay?
Okay, Pratap.
Right? So I'll keep these tasks also in your
Pratap, what to do with this America, China, something like that? We need to separate based on the.
no, I need to get total number of capital letters that are available in the given string.
Okay, right, yeah.
Okay, this is pretty straightforward, right? I have given.
That is straightforward. Yeah. And this is the third one.
You have to print the pyramid structure like this. Take the input as school and you have to print like this.
Anybody should pay pyramid. Okay.
Anything.
Pratap, that first one, it's like consonant, vowel, consonant.
Yes, in
It is
between
coming
two
that way.
consonants, whatever that is there, you have to get the vowel. Okay.
Like how the output should look like?
You have to get that vowel outside of from the consonant. If it is A, you have to get A.
Means we should get, okay, if it is enclosed within
Yes, I
consonant, then we need to extract that.
I plus 1 and I plus 2. I should be a consonant, I plus 2 should be a consonant, I plus 1 should be a vowel. Now move your reference to this one now. So R will be your I plus 1, I plus 2. So take
So first output will be HAQ.
Yes, first you have to take HAQ. From that you have to print only A. You should not print HAQ.
Okay.
Okay?
Huh.
Clear, right? Yeah.
Yes, Pratap.
Fine. Thank you.
Tomorrow what time, Pratap? 7, right?
Tomorrow, Friday, right? Yes, 7.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. So if you are able to do these things right, you have to spend little more time, then your coding skills will be increased a lot. Trust me. If you want to be proficient in the coding, right, your mind should work. Mind should work though, only strings can help you.
Okay.
And keep these 4 tips in your mind. Whenever you get any string method right, you have to apply your logic, taking those 4. Okay? See, if you are at least able to write a brute force code is nothing but a direct code without any optimization. Companies will accept it.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Fine. Thank you.
Thanks.